To make the best decisions for your upcoming renovation project, you need a clear head. When you know what to expect for your bathroom remodeling consultation, you can leave the stress behind. Here's how to prepare. Pre-consultation. Determine your intention behind the remodel and make a list of questions and concerns. Collect inspirational photos to share with your contractor. During your consultation. 1. Your contractor will ask vital questions and listen to your needs. 2. They'll tell you about their company and how they can reach your goals. 3. You'll discuss availability, scheduling, and other logistics. 4. Your contractor will do a preliminary walkthrough, take measurements, and make detailed notes. 5. You'll discuss products and basic style choices, drafting a rough mock-up of your bathroom. 6. If you're ready to move ahead, your contractor will give you the next steps. After your consultation, your contractor will create a contract that includes everything you discussed. You'll work with a design consultant to create the layout and the look you want, settling on materials. Once you agree to your design, they'll order or custom make your products. Then they'll schedule your remodel. Call Miller Home Improvements at 571-274-0513 to start your bathroom remodel today.